Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your chat settings prevent you from sending message issue. So if you want to fix this issue, these are the 9 process steps that you need to follow. The first thing that you have to do is check your privacy settings. Go to settings, then tap on privacy and ensure you can chat with me in game. So if this chat me in game is not activated, just make sure you fix it. So once you do that, you can set who can chat with me option in your game to everyone or friends. Just pick either of the two. With everyone means even with the person you know or the person you don't, you just person will be able to send you message. After that, enable chat. So for you to be able to enable chat option in the settings, just go to your account center, tap on the settings ticket button, then tap on the account centers, then the privacy. Make sure the enable chat option is toggle on, and also adjust the chat filters. Set the chat filters in settings. So for you to do that, just tap on the security to default or restrict, and review your account restriction. Ensure your age and privacy settings allow that in settings privacy, and also check for the game restrictions. Verify if the issue occur in all games or just specific ones. Disable or check parental control. Make sure no parental control are blocking the chat, and also log out and log back again and restart your Roblox to clear potential glitches. And if it doesn't work at all, just try and uninstall and install your app again. Then definitely it will show it will show that people will be able to message you. And that's it. If you find it helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.